Satya Praveen asks, Krishna selected Arjuna to teach the principles of life, but how were the principles mentioned in Dwapar Yuga suitable to Kali Yuga? Thank you, Guruji.
Very nice question, Prabhu. But that's why we are studying Bhagavad Gita, because it is suitable for us. Bhagavad Gita is a Sanatana Dharma. So that means it's eternal Dharma, eternal knowledge. So this is suitable at all time, everywhere, not only in this earth. Wherever you go, everywhere this Bhagavad Gita is suitable. Because this Bhagavad Gita is the knowledge about soul, about our self, Atma. So Atma Jnana. So that knowledge about ourself is same everywhere and it is suitable all the time. Whether you are in Kali Yuga or Satya Yuga or whatever Yuga, this knowledge is very much suitable. So especially now for us, Krishna's mercy, at least we have this knowledge available for us. When Krishna gave this knowledge to Arjuna, at that time this knowledge was not available before that. Because the disciplic succession was already broken. So that's why Arjuna didn't know about Bhagavad Gita. He understood Bhagavad Gita from Krishna only. So that's why this knowledge got established for us, and from that time onwards, it is coming through disciplic succession. So we are having this knowledge available to us. And that way we are very fortunate. We are living in a time where this knowledge is there. And even if we go back few centuries ago, the acharyas, so they were actually traveling everywhere to spread this knowledge by walk. They have to only go by walk to every place. So that way they cannot cover everywhere. But for us now, we don't have to go anywhere. Just by sitting in our place with this technology like Zoom and other technologies, internet, all such things, we are able to get this knowledge, study this knowledge. So if those acharyas were, if they are now, even if Prabhupada, just 50 years ago, Srila Prabhupada, he traveled all the way at that age to come to US and started ISKCON and wrote Bhagavad Gita as it is and gave this knowledge, established this knowledge. So now Krishna's mercy, we are having more opportunities just by sitting in our own place, our own house. We are able to study Bhagavad Gita. We don't have to travel anywhere. So that way we are in a very, very gifted time, even though this is Kali Yuga, even though all these things, but right now the gift what we have got is really, really beyond explanation. It's Krishna's causeless mercy. We need to make use of this opportunity and study this Bhagavad Gita knowledge fully. Also, it is available. Like in the online, it is there. Vedabase.io website, if you go, Bhagavad Gita as it is there. So that way, Krishna's mercy, it is very much suitable for Kali Yuga. There is absolutely no doubt about that at all. This Bhagavad Gita knowledge is very much suitable and it is very much needed for us. It is very much important for us to get this knowledge. Otherwise, there is no hope. Otherwise, we will keep ourselves struggling and suffering and keep coming back to this well. So we need to take this very seriously and get this knowledge and give this knowledge. Study Bhagavad Gita, spread Bhagavad Gita. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Guruji. Satya Praveen, if you have any follow-up questions, you can